Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we will be breaking down meme coins, what they are, why they exist, and if they are really worth the hype in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, as you can see, I'm currently on coinmarketcap.com. Over here, if you click on this memes tab, you will find bunch of different meme coins that are very popular. So here we need to understand what are meme coins exactly. So meme coins are the cryptocurrencies that are created more for fun and community than utility. Think of like coin, like this one we have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu or Pepe. They are actually inspired by memes, jokes or any kind of internet culture. Now, most of them don't have any real world use cases or technology behind them, so their value often comes from hype, influencers, or community trend. Now, why do people actually buy meme coins? So, people buy meme coin mainly because of the quick profits. As you can see over here, we have Dogecoin, and if I click on the all option, you can see it was just consolidating at this point, and just look at the profit that it gave, right? So meme coins can pump fast with the social media buzz or celebrity tweets. They are super risky but low entry. So you can start with just a few dollars, and some users treat them like a lottery ticket hoping to strike gold. But many meme coins crash just as fast as they rise, so timing and luck matters a lot. Now, are meme coins legit in 2025? You must be wondering. So, in my opinion, they are real in the sense that they exist and people trade them, but most are not backed by any kind of strong fundamentals or any kind of long term roadmaps. So, a few projects evolve and try to build utilities, but most stay purely speculative. So, meme coins are fun but risky. So, if you are thinking of investing, only put what you are willing to lose. Always do your own research because this video is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop your favorite comment meme coin in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.